Welcome back to Technify, your go-to hub for everything cameras, drones, and cutting-edge creativity tools. Today, we're diving into one of the most hyped devices in the creator community, the rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Over the past few days, the internet has been buzzing after a pair of mysterious images surfaced online, supposedly showing a completely redesigned pocket device. These pictures created instant chaos across X, sparking debates, doubts, and plenty of excitement. Whether it's the unusual button layout, a rotating display, or even a second rear screen, the leaks have everyone talking. But are these images the real deal or just another AI trick? Let's unpack the drama, the rumors, and the big upgrades creators might actually see in the upcoming Pocket 4. Confusion took over X recently when X Drone Studio posted two unusual images claiming to depict the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Their caption, originally written in Portuguese, expressed surprise at the strange button layout, the rotating screen mechanism, and what looked like a second display on the back of the device. These images showcased a dual camera system inside a single protective glass enclosure, a look far different from anything seen in previous Pocket generations. What intensified the reaction was that this wasn't the first time such a concept surfaced. A known leaker had previously shared a similar dual camera design, though less extreme. But X Drone Studio's post pushed things even further by combining unconventional button placements, a twisting display, and a rear screen, features many viewers immediately found suspicious. The original source of the images, at D2Help, openly expressed doubt about their authenticity and even suggested that the images might be AI-generated. However, that disclaimer was largely ignored as the images were shared repeatedly across X without context, quickly going viral. Soon enough, creators and viewers began seeking clarity, and these same images eventually made their way to us at Technify through subscribers asking for confirmation. For now, nothing about the leaked pictures is verified, and there remains a strong possibility that they were generated with AI. Still, the excitement they created highlights just how eager people are for the next evolution of the Pocket lineup. Moving past the questionable images, let's dive into the rumored specs that have been generating genuine interest. One of the most promising potential upgrades is the sensor. Reports suggest that the DJI Pocket 4 might feature a larger 1-inch class imaging sensor, a significant step up from previous models. Interestingly, this sensor may be slightly cropped, or tubed, to fit into the Pocket's compact body. DJI has recently been experimenting with square format sensors in other products, such as the Osmo Action 6 and the Osmo 360, and the Pocket may follow the same direction. A square sensor, around 13.2 mm by 13.2 mm, would be a major advantage for vertical content creators. Unlike the Pocket 3, which reduced its resolution when switched to vertical mode, a square sensor would allow true 4K vertical capture without any compromise in detail. With platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok dominating short-form video, this upgrade alone would make the Pocket 4 a far more powerful tool for modern creators. Video performance is another area where big improvements are rumored. The Pocket may support 6K recording at up to 30 frames per second, allowing editors more flexibility for cropping, reframing, and digital stabilization during post-production. High-speed shooting could also see an upgrade, with 4K at 120 frames per second reportedly being considered. Perfect for buttery, cinematic slow-motion footage straight out of the device. Control over exposure and depth of field may also be expanded. Some sources suggest that the Pocket 4 might feature a variable aperture ranging from f/2.0 to f/4.0, giving creators more flexibility in handling bright environments or capturing shallower depth of field. Other reports predict that DJI might instead enhance its built-in ND filter system, already present on the Pocket 3, to give users a cleaner, more convenient way of balancing exposure without additional accessories. Beyond imaging, the Pocket may also include improved workflow features. Rumors point toward built-in storage, upgraded audio support through better integration with DJI's wireless microphones, and a 10-bit D-Log M color profile for greater dynamic range and color grading flexibility. Another possibility is a full 360 degrees panning capability, similar to what DJI built into the Osmo Mobile 8. However, a dedicated gimbal lock mode, long requested by Pocket users for safer transport, still appears to be missing from early reports. While release dates remain uncertain, Discussions among leakers and analysts point toward late 2025 or early 2026. Regardless of when it arrives, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most creator-focused updates the series has ever seen. And that brings us to the end of everything we currently know about the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Fact, rumor, and the whirlwind of speculation swirling around it. Whether the viral images are real prototypes or clever AI fabrications, one thing is undeniable. Creators everywhere are paying attention. The Pocket series has built a reputation as a compact yet powerful filmmaking tool, and expectations for the next model are higher than ever. As new leaks emerge, confirmations surface, and more credible information becomes available, Technify will be right here to break it all down with clarity and accuracy. If you're passionate about filmmaking gear, creative technology, and the future of compact cameras, stay tuned. There's a lot more coming your way. Thanks for watching Technify, and we'll catch you in the next one.